Hello and welcome to Boardgame TV, and we're playing Pathfinder, Rise of the Runelords. And we're on Adventure 3, Here Comes the Flood of the Hook Mountain Massacre. Now you're going to notice the setup is a little different this time because Here Comes the Flood plays a little differently. It says, you see how these weird henchmen per location, one Nightbelly Bowl, one random blessing, one random ally. It says, place the villain Black Maga face up next to the blessings deck. We have done that. Shuffle all the cards in the henchman list into a single stack and deal 3 into each location. We've done that. At the start of each turn, select a random location deck and put its bottom 1d4 cards face down under Black Maga without looking at them. When you acquire an ally, put it under this card. When there are no cards in the blessings deck, if the number of allies under this card is at least equal to the number of allies under Black Maga, you win the scenario. Okay. Huh. So this is a little weird. But alright, we'll do that. At least equal to. Okay, so we gotta get allies. Okay. So let's go ahead and start. Now we have Turtleback Ferry, the woods, the village house, the academy, and the waterfront. And I'll roll. If I get a 6, we re-roll. I got a 1. Alright, Turtleback Ferry. So I have to take 1d4, 2 cards, Turtleback Ferry. Okay. Put it under Black Maga. And see, what Black Maga says is, it may not be evaded, is immune to mental trait. 24 to beat her. Succeed at an arcane or divine 14 check, or you may not play spells. After the encounter, each character at this location attempts a wisdom 9 check. Characters who succeed recharge 1d4 cards of their choice. Characters who fail discard 1d4 cards of their choice. So, I don't know. Does it say anything about fighting her? So, okay, well, I guess we'll get going. Okay, so, let's see, where do we want to go? Succeed, wisdom, but I have no spells. Banish, succeed in intelligence or arcane, summon and defeat a bandit henchman. Well, I don't have any spells for him right now, so I want to go someplace where there's not too many monsters. So I'll send him to the village house. Okay. And we have a longsword +2. Well, I would have liked to have gotten that. Can I get it? I can't actually get it. I gotta roll a 6. I don't. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's play a blessing. Alright, let's discard this Black Arrow Ranger and we'll explore again. Toxic Cloud. Intelligence Arcane 8. There's no way I can get that, so let's put that there. And let's keep going. We'll take the Blessing of Almeid. I don't know why I put that there. And we're gonna Belt of Giant Strength. Strength 5. Okay, I can actually get that. 2 + 4, 6. So I can get it. And I think that is going to be it for Cairo. So let's go ahead. Play a card from the Blessings deck. Let's roll a random location. 3. Well, that's this location. So I take 2 random cards. Oh, wait, well, hold on. Let me roll a die and see how many. 4. I have to take 4 random cards. Jeez. Put them under her. Alright. Okay. So it's Valeros. And we'll go and send him to the waterfront where we have to summon and defeat a bandit henchman to close the location. At this location, when playing a weapon, subtract 1 from each die roll. After exploration, you may discard 2 cards to explore again. Okay, and we have a ghoul. Okay, that's fine. I will use my longsword +1 here. So I use my strength and a D8. Alright, let's see, I have a 7 because we're minusing 1, and a 4 because we're minusing 1, and that's 11, so that's good enough. Okay, I will play this blessing here, and we'll explore again. We have a Wand of Scorching Ray. I don't think there's any way I can get it. Nope, so we're done with that. I'll play my soldier. We'll discard him, and we'll keep going. We have a zombie horde. Each character summons and encounters a zombie minion henchman. Okay, well that's just him. Bandit henchman. Ancient skeleton, Skinsaw. Okay, let me find one real quick. Okay. It shouldn't be too bad. He just needs a 9. I'll use my longsword again. Okay, well, 3 and 2 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. So I barely beat that, but I beat it. So this thing is done. And I think that's going to be it for him. Okay, so it's Ezran's turn, but first we have our random location. And we have the woods. And we have 3 cards. Okay. And let's see, well, we'll have him go to the academy. On your first exploration each turn, if you encounter anything other than a spell, after the exploration you may explore again. Well, we got here, Nightbelly Boa. Here's a henchman here. Alright, if undefeated, return face up to the top location deck. Defeating Nightbelly Boa does not allow you to close this location. So we cannot close this location if we beat Nightbelly Boa. Okay, so I have Lightning Touch. Or Scorching Ray. We'll do Lightning Touch. Wow, that's 14. So we beat Nightbelly Boa. And we can explore again because we did not encounter a spell. So, we have a Black Arrow Ranger. Wisdom, Survival, Charisma, Diplomacy. I can do a Wisdom and maybe get him. There's nothing that's going to help me get him because I need to get allies. But I do get him 6. Plus 1 is 7. So I get the Black Arrow Ranger. Let me see here. What was this? When you acquire an ally, put it under this card. Okay, so we have to put it under this card here. Okay. Alrighty. Let me see what it says on this side. Oh yeah, here comes a flood. Terrible unnatural rains have flooded Turtleback Ferry, a village near Fort Rannoch. Things get even worse when the nearby dam of Skull's Crossing bursts, spilling the legendary terror Black Mallet into the village. Save everyone you can before the monster consumes everything. Yeesh. Okay. Alright, okay. Well, we're going to explore again. We're going to, first of all, do I keep lightning touch? Let me roll for that. I can. So let me just recharge lightning touch. Okay, we're going to play the toad. And we're going to explore again. We have consecration here. Wisdom Divine 8. Alright, I got a D8. No. Okay. Let me play my... Oh, that's it. That is it. Okay. And now the blessings deck is going to go. And we roll a random location. And we roll 6. We got to re-roll that. 5. That's the waterfront. And we take 1 card from the waterfront. Put it under Black Magia. Black Maga. Okay, so it's Kyra's turn. Kyra will draw a card. Alright, and we're still at the village house. And let's see, let's go. We get a cat. Wisdom, survival. Now I should be able to get this. Yeah, I got an 8 right on the dot. And I will, boom, take it. So it goes under there. Okay. Let's see here. I'll play a blessing of Lamatsu, and we will explore again. And we have a ghoul here. Alright, now I have Holy Light. The check is against a bane with the undead. Instead, roll your divine and 2d12. Yeesh. So I get 3d12. 14, 16. So we beat this, no problem. Let me see if I keep that. I do. So I'm going to recharge it. Okay, and that's going to be it. So it is Valeros's turn. Let's see which deck Black Maga hits. 2, the woods again. Let's see. 3 cards. Yeesh. Okay. Alright, Valeros is back here at the waterfront. We can draw 2 cards. And let's see what we're doing. We have an Ogrekin. Alright. We have to roll a 1d4 and see what happens. 2. Damage dealt by the Ogrekin is increased by 2. Okay, he's 13. Well, we're going to play our long sword. Actually, I'm going to play my short sword. I'm going to use it and then just recharge it. That's 10. 17 minus 3. We beat it, no problem. And then it goes there. I will get rid of the short sword. I can just recharge it. And I'm going to play my troubadour. And we will explore again. And we have another Ogrekin. Great. And this time it's 2 again. Okay, that's fine. And I will play my longsword. Okay, that's 18 minus 2. 16, so we beat that one. Okay. And I cannot explore anymore, so that'll be the end of his turn. It's Ezrin's turn, but first let's do a deck. 2, the woods again. Boy, the woods is getting hit hard. 3 cards. There's no allies there, so that's actually really good. Okay. Now Ezrin will draw 2 cards and explore. And we have Master Grump here. Alright. Wisdom Divine 8. Do you have anything to help me get this? No. Okay, so charisma, diplomacy, no, but my wisdom divine, I do have a chance. Gotta roll. No. Well, I didn't get him. Okay. However, I can explore again because we didn't have a spell, and that's this dumbass Nightbelly Bow again. Okay, well, I will use my Scorching Ray. Okay, well, that's 7 plus 6 is 13 plus my 2 is 15. So we beat the Nightbelly Boa. See if I can keep my Scorching Ray. I can. But that is the end of the turn, and we missed out getting an ally, and that's very important. Alright. Blessing. Alright, let's see here. We have Incation 3, that's the village house where Kyra's at. 2 cards. That's going to be the bottom 2 cards. So Kyra will have 1 card. And let's see, there was 3 allies here. That does not look good. And no, of course, it's this stupid thing. Alright. Well. Well. Okay, I guess I don't have any weapons, so I'm going to have to fist fight this thing. Now, I do have the Belt of Giant Strength. And I have a Blessing. So, let's go ahead and get my D6. Another D6 if I play the Blessing. And my Belt of Giant Strength, I still don't think I'm going to get this, but I do have 4, you know, so. Okay. Alright, so 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus the other 2 is 4. So I beat the damn thing with my fist. Huh. And we'll attempt to close this thing. I guess we'll attempt to close it. I will banish a card from my hand, and I will get rid of that Belt of Strength. Banish it, and we have closed this location. No effect. So, okay. Valero's turn. Draw 2 cards. However, we have to do a location. 1 and 1. Okay. Valeros is still here at the waterfront, so let's go ahead and explore. We have another monster here, Myrana. Okay, is she immune to mental and poison traits? Does not have the magic trait. She's undefeated. Well, that's terrible. But my longsword does have the magic trait. See? Alright, so we need a 14 or higher to beat her. Alright, well, that's fine. Well, I think I'm going to use the Impaler of Thorns, actually. Reveal this card and roll your strength plus 1d8 plus 2. You may additionally discard this card to reduce the difficulty to defeat the Bane by 2 until the end of the turn. And I think I'll do that. So she's going to take a 12 to beat. Alright. So we got 7, 4. So minus 1 is 6, minus 1 is 3, so it's 9. but plus 2 is 10 and 11. Okay. And then plus my strength 3 is 14. She's minus 2, so we beat her. Okay, well, I mean, that's all I can do. I can't go exploring anymore, so there we go. Let's roll the location to the woods again. There's no allies there, so that's actually really good for us. It's 1 card. Alright. Ezrin. Draw a card, and we're at the academy, and we find a major cure. Wisdom Divine. There's no way I'm getting that. No, there is a way I can get it. I guess so. I got a roll. Ooh, I do get it. 7 plus 1 is 8. So I get it. So I'll just take it. Unfortunately, that's the end. Can't explore anymore, and that was a spell. Okay. Kyra's turn, but 6. Well, we got to reroll that. 5, which is the waterfront, and we're going to take 2 cards from the bottom. Okay. And now Kyra. Where are we sending Kyra at? Well, we know there's no allies at the woods. There's 2 allies at Turtleback Ferry. So let's go. Let's go to Turtleback Ferry, see if we can find one. And we find an ogre. Shit. Okay. Well, let's see what we're going to be able to do here. Okay, well, I think what I'm going to do is play my Flaming Mace, and how do I say? Yeah, I tell you what, I'll play the. Well, he's 14. The Flaming Mace gives me this and an 8. That's 14 right there, but plus 1. I want to play this Blessing of Norberger, and I'll take another 8. I just want to be sure. This guy's 14. Okay, well that's 10, 13, plus 1 for the Flaming Mace is 14. So we beat this guy. Okay, and then I'm going to play this guy right here. He discard him to let me explore my location. And Consecration. Wisdom Divine 8. Ah, man, I was hoping for an ally. But I get that, so, okay. And then I can't explore anymore. So that'd be the end of my turn. It's Valeros' turn. Let's see what deck we're going to hit. 5, where we're going to hit where Valeros is at. And we roll a 1, so it's only 1 card taken out. Okay, and he draws 1 card. And we will explore. We have this damn thing again. I'd be mad if that's a freaking ally right there. Okay, alright. Well, I use my longsword. Okay, well that's 14 in itself, but minus 2, but plus my strength, so we beat the Night-Bellied Boa. And, well, that's it. So we do another Blessing. Let's see which deck we're going to hit. And that's 6. 5. Well, that's the waterfront, so no matter what, that guy's going under the deck. Okay, so the waterfront is done. Okay. Ezrin here is still at the academy, so let's keep exploring. We have a cryptic message. Knowledge, intelligence. Okay. It's a cache, it's not a barrier, so these tools will not help me. Well, you know, my intelligence is pretty good. I got a good chance. 6. And 2 is 3. 1. Six and 3 is 9. I missed it by 1. So it has to go away. Okay. And it was not a spell, so I can explore again. And here's a scrying spell. Intelligence Arcane. Alright, well, I passed that one. And that's it. That's it for that one. So it is next turn. And we have 5. Well, that's the waterfront, so we kind of got lucky on that. And Valeros here will go to the Turtleback Ferry. I'm sorry, Kyra. It's Kyra's turn. I don't know why I thought it was Beth's turn. Kyra's turn. He's at Turtleback Ferry. So let's see what happens here. We have a Cloak of Elvenkind. Well, that's Dexterity Stealth 5. I can get it if I roll a 4. Nope. Okay, I will play this Blessing, and we will explore again. Blessing of the Gods. And then we'll play that and explore again. Blessing of the Gods. We'll play that and explore again. And I find Diseased Rats. Well, that's not too good. Alright. Combat 11. I have my Flaming Mace, so 9 plus 1 is 10, plus my strength, so we beat that. Okay, well, that's 10. I can't do any more, so we'll go Valeros' turn. And we roll for a location. And we roll 1, 2, 3, 4, the Academy. And we're going to take 3 cards from the Academy. Put that under there. Okay, so Valeros will come here. And he finds a Blessing. And he will discard it. And he will explore again. Ring of Protection. Constitution Fortitude 5. Alright, we roll an 8. Not good enough. And that's the end of the turn. Alright, and now we roll for location 3. That's the village house. It's already been done, so it's good. Ezrin will go, and he will do the last card at the Academy, and that is a Belt of Incredible Dexterity. He's at 5. Alright. Now he gets it. Alright. Okay. New turn. 1. Well, that's Turtleback Ferry. That is not what we wanted. Well, we know at least he's going to get 1 card. God damn it. I didn't mean to look at that. Okay. So we are going to go to the woods now. And let's see what we get. Cloak of Elvenkind. Alright. Nope. And that is the end of the turn. Valeros here. It's turn, but let's see what we roll. 6, 5, that's already been taken. So Valeros will go here to the woods, and we find a zombie horde. Everybody's got to fight a zombie minion. So we'll start with Kyra. 6 plus 4, he beats it. And then Valeros, he uses longsword, and he beats it. Okay, there's no more to explore. I know this guy is going to have more cards. We only have 2. So I know he's going to have way more under here than we are. So I mean, it doesn't say. Okay, so we're going to lose this scenario unless there was some way I could fight this guy. It doesn't say you can fight him. It doesn't say to fight him. It just says maybe he's the bad guy at the Battle of the Dam scenario, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 allies there. We got 2. That's miserable. And so, yeah. So, we lost, but we didn't die. So, I think that's it. We're not going to gain the reward, which was all the allies for winning. So, we'll just move on to the next scenario. You know, I like it when this game tries to do different stuff, and I think that's a great thing. But they could have put on this card right here, hey, you don't fight him this game. So all I had to do is add it, and it would clear up a lot of confusion, because he ate up everybody. The flood came and ate up everybody. So until the next time, I will see you then. Hey, and if I played it wrong, if anybody knows if I played this wrong, please let me know. Help me clarify. Please let me know. So until the next time, have fun.